NNPP, the New Nigeria People's Party, stands for unity of the country, stands for peace, stands for stability and development of this country. Please, ladies and gentlemen, when you go home, don't sleep. Keep on working, convincing all Nigerians from the north to south, Christians and Muslims, and even those without religion. Let them go and vote for our party, the NNPP, so that we can kick out those who have worked over the years to fail Nigerians. Let me underline the importance of registration with INEC. PDC is very important. If you are here and you didn't register, please tomorrow go and register. And tell everybody to register. I'm sure all the opponents, all the enemies of the telecowers of this country will find it very difficult to sleep today and many days to come. Those who ensure that they created a big wall between us and the people, the voters, the poor, the needy, the young men and women who want to go to school, who want to get education, qualitative education, both in this country and abroad. Today, I'm sure they will not sleep, and all of us who believe in ideology and the good work that this party is going to do will sleep well. Ladies and gentlemen, the election of 2023, by the grace of God, is determined in Abuja and determined in this hall. That by the grace of God, NNPP will win the election of 2023. Thank you and God bless you.